Okay, great. So all four members are joined today. Yeah. Good evening to all. On behalf of Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. So today we arranged this session, the guidance session for Persistent, as Persistent is going to hire, there is a campus recruitment for WIT on the interview, the test schedule is going on, that is from the 24th July. And also I want to put some more points like TCS is also going to hire the TCS Ninja through Ninja platform and NQT platform, and Infosys is also hiring for in-campus specialist programmer role. Okay, digital specialist. This is for the all soft branches, CSE, IT, electronics and telecommunication. As you people are preparing for all these, I think all the four branches are eligible. Four branches from the Walchand Institute of Technology. So you people are appearing for the interview in the coming month. Okay, in the July and also in the August month. Okay. This because even though your university exams are going on now, but still we arranged this session because the placement is very important for you people, and this time the Persistent is recruiting a very large number of candidates. Okay, and these four guys, Dhanvantri, Shrutik, Mayuri and Madhura, they are all gone through this process. Okay, so today they will share their how they are prepared, how they prepared the online test and the interview and all. And these guys are appeared in 4 5 companies, means they are already they are placed in the 4 5 companies, Infosys, then TCS, Persistent, Capgemini, Accenture and all. Okay, so they have gone through, they have a lot of experience from last 1 year. So today they will share their experience, how to prepare and all. Okay, and here most of them are from the electronics and electronics telecommunication branch. So you can you can ask if you have any doubts in the chat box. If possible, you can unmute it, no problem. Okay, this is just a casual talk session, like. Okay, so I welcome you all four members, and you can share your experience, or if you have prepared a PPT, so we can just give all the details about the recruitment process. Shall we start?
Yes, thank
Yeah.
you.
Okay. Yeah.
So Mayuri will be explaining first. I just share this.
Okay. Yeah, do you have PPT?
Yes, sir. We
Okay,
have.
okay, you can share.
So, first of all, we thought this session is particularly as per we are considering to focus on currently at first PSPL, but this is in general suggestions. Some suggestions we are going to give, but this is we can say we are literally focusing on PSPL as it is on 24th now, sir. Is it right?
Yes, 24th July.
Yes, sir. So they have like less time to prepare now. So, first thing is what will be the how the PSPL going to conduct the exams. First, there will be MCQ test. Dhanvantri, can you move to next slide? In that MCQ test, at when Persistent used to come on in campus, first they used to take English and aptitude test, and they used to eliminate students from that round, and then for remaining students there used to be technical. But now while it is online, they are going to take MCQ test of all these factors, considering all these factors like 15. This is the format I got from Face Prep. Currently new format: 15 English questions, 15 aptitude, and 20 technical. Actually at our time, as per I remember, we had 30 technical questions, but they are saying now there will be 20 technical questions, and there will be 2 programming questions which will have 45 minutes of time to solve. and all these above questions will be like one question will have 1 minute, like each section will be of 15 minutes, and there is no shuffling allowed in sections as well as intra-section. Like questions cannot be shuffled, and once you are attempting moving to next question, you can't go back to any question. And next, I would like to suggest you guys, like these are all things you have heard already. Like many students contacted me from different branches from IT and CSC for PSPL preparation, how to prepare. Like they have already attended some students presentations, and they know what is format, what will come, but how to prepare. Most the current question they are facing is how to prepare. Like from last 1.5 year, they are at home, you are all at home, and you are all are wondering like how to prepare. So next slide, Dhanvantari, like how to prepare subject wise. So first is English. In English, there is a mandatory question in reading comprehension. There will be three MCQs, 2 to 3 MCQs based on single paragraph. So you have to practice on reading comprehension, but you can put it as option if you are feeling confident about your aptitude and technical. That I will suggest you guys, because I know my reading speed was not that good, but all other questions from English section, like synonym, antonym, finding error, or rearranging the question sequence PQRS, they give four sentences and form a meaningful sentence, like that. These questions were easy, and actually the test is easy. Like you don't need to like prepare for high level or something. You have to just go for easy and medium level. These are the questions you can crack easily. And you all are doing aptitude and English, I think, for Infosys also. For InfyTQ, you are preparing for that, so that will be easy. So I will suggest you guys just do revision of these things of English and aptitude. Yes, in aptitude, some questions from Quant and some from reasoning will come, and this is the practice you generally do, like how you have prepared. According to me, the aptitude was of easy level only. If there are 10 questions, there will be 2 to 3 questions which are high level. You can risk on that, and all other questions doesn't need at least 1 minute also, so you can save time over there. And coming to technical, here is the main part, how to prepare for technical. So I will suggest all of you go for numericals. Like you have numericals in OS, you have numericals in DA, and these two subjects numericals compulsory come. Like in operating system, there are numericals on calculating average turnaround time, scheduling. The numericals based upon scheduling. In DA, there are numericals on knapsack problem and maximum profit problem. The numericals you must have solved, and these numericals are you can solve orally. These are easy numericals which come. So first focus on numericals for technical. After that, focus on data structure. Data structure questions are like 5 to 6 questions are on data structure, theoretical also and some logical also. Like if list is converted from one list to another list, how will be the conversion, or string comparison, what will be the output. Like there are two types in for comparing strings, like equal to function and equal to sign. So how they work in Java, so they specify somewhere, like in Java how did this work, what will be the output. So you have to like go for that key, where memory comparison is happening and where the actual string comparison is happening, like that questions. It comes under data structure. And under CN, there are basic questions about OSI model and all. These questions are there, and simple questions on connectivity. And I think computer network questions can be cracked easily if you practice uh, OSI models and all. Just that, prepare just that. And for programming, all are asking me how the programming is. So I will say in first round, programming questions are from easy to medium only. when the MCQ overall MCQ test is going to happen. In advanced coding, there might be chances of having dynamic programming because it's for higher package. Then in programming, there are easy questions. Just go for hacker rank, hacker Earth, what you are all preparing, and I think you have practiced enough now, so you can just go through and revise the logic. You just don't mug up the problems and all. You just try to build your logic. How much you build your logic is the key, because there is they provide us a big story, but in that story what you have to do, sort a list. That's the question. You have to just recognize that you have to do just sorting of list, nothing else. So prepare like that. Understand the question first, and you can programming question. Programming is having 45 minutes. I think 30 minutes is enough for that, for the programming section. That much easy questions comes, but there they say there is luck factor also. You there is slight 100 in like two students from 100 might get hard questions, but all are easy questions. So that's it from my side, how to prepare.
Yeah. One more thing, like for in ENTC, I think Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering and Electronics Department. Let me know the students. I think you people are having these subjects: operating system, data structure, and computer network, right? Anyone from ENTC or electronic students? Yes, anyone? Student from ENTC electronics? I think I know. Yeah, DSA. DSA means data structure. We have only data structure. Yeah, but computer network is there. Computer network is there, and operating system is also there, I think. Okay. So I think design and analysis algorithm, I think that one subject is not there.
Sir, actually for PSPL there were questions on operating
Operating
system
system.
and DA, but when they go for NQT and Infosys exams, there are mostly questions, technical questions means data structure questions, and
Yeah.
programming language, what will be the output of this program.
Yeah,
These
yeah,
kind of MCQs
yeah.
are there. So no need to worry about that. And basic operating system and CN, I think they have.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Even I am also electronic students only. My graduation is in electronics only. So, and my PG in IT. So I know the syllabus will be the same. That's why they persistent people like they allowed electronics and ENTC department also this time, because even these guys are also doing great. Like I know Miss in one of the YouTube channel like Jay Bansal. He's a IIT Bombay student. Like he used to teach GATE syllabus, and he's from the electronics department, and he's all India rank 2 in computer science. Means electronics and ENTC means you people also you can handle these subjects easily. It is not a difficult task. So you just prepare well, and I think these guys will also share how you can prepare and all. Now they shared about what are the most important subjects like English, aptitude, and technical. So here there are 3-4 sections are there. So like English also you are covered, like you have gone through the Sunny Kittur session and all, aptitude also, and the technical that you can prepare that. Okay, even coding from last second year only you people are like practicing on hacker rank, hacker earth and all. So that is not a big issue, but now if you have any other questions and all, you can just put it in the chat box also. Yeah, you guys please go ahead. Shrutik, Dhanvantri and all. You can share your experience.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So first of all, my name is Shrutik. Okay.
Yeah.
So far we saw like what will be the questions is going to be there, and what is the pattern of that. So the next thing comes to your mind is from where you should prepare. So as the four of us had discussed, and we come up with these links where we had prepared. So first you can see the India Bix. Everyone knows that India Bix there are so many multiple choice questions on quant and reasoning, and also DSA and all. So all types of questions you will find on IndiaBase, and also there are similar sites like Gate Questions. Yeah, one thing I would like to tell that these questions you will be going to get, it will not be the normal questions. The difficulty level of that questions will be high. So uh, so you can prepare as you are going to prepare for Gate. Okay, if you prepare for Gate, then if you are preparing for Gate, then this question you will find very easy. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The difficulty of this question will be, it will not be the normal question like as we get in our uh, academics. Like one question is there and there are three options. So and one is all of the above. So it will not be like that. There will be questions as Mayuri said, of numericals.
Means
Okay.
apply level. They need to apply
Yeah.
the.
So the those questions will test your understanding. Okay, if you know the concept, that is fine, but can you apply it? That thing is they are going to be checked. Yeah, so the first three links are of the some of the MCQ type questions, and last four links are of the programming. The programming you must I'm going to say that you must solve the two questions. Then your chances will be going to very high, and it will be one will be the easy type question, and second one will be the medium type. Like you can compare that difficulty like on Hacker Earth. What are the questions of what are questions there of that easy type and medium type, and from that I would like to say that you can go to the strings arrays. The do solve the questions of easy type and medium type. Okay, so only that will going to come like in normal exam, but in advanced there might be some higher level questions. Yeah. So so for programming you should do this. Okay. Yeah. If you want, you can go through this links. Dhanvantri, please copy paste the links in the chat box so everyone.
Yeah, I'll share these links.
Yeah.
I'll share these links later. I'll
Okay.
give it to Night, sir.
Yeah, so that's all from my side. From you can refer this link, as most of us refer that, and it is very general and basic. If you just solve, just first page of everything, then say also you can get the idea of the question. And most of you said that like they don't have OS and they don't have CN, so you can just go through these sites and see the types of questions. So at the as we are in the last moment, so you can do this. It will surely help you. So that's all from my side. Dhanvantri will continue. Thanks.
Okay.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes. Yes.
Good evening, everyone. And today I'll be telling you about advanced coding round. So, like score really well in the first round, you'll receive a mail from their end that you're selected for the advanced round. So advanced round, it has nothing but only two questions of programming, and you have 1 hour to solve these two programming questions. And the difficulty of these questions is from medium to hard. So they are not so difficult, and even if you solve them partially, you have good amount of chance of getting selected. And the platform for which you'll be having the platform on which you'll be having this second programming round is also the same, which was for the first round. So you're already familiar with the platform, and so you know what kind of language suits and all. So this is about the advanced coding round. And now we are open to the question and answers round. And so even if you have simplest questions, you can ask us. Feel free to ask us, and we'll be there.
Yeah, Dhanvantri, platform means it is on AMCAT, right? AMCAT platform
Yes,
for
sir.
Persistent.
Yes, sir. For the first round, the same platform for second round.
Okay. And the questions will be section wise. Like suppose if there are 15 questions in the English, then 15 questions in the aptitude, and 30 questions in technical. Is it a section wise?
Yes, sir.
Section wise.
Okay. Yeah, there are some questions are there in the
Take the questions.
chat box.
Oh, serious. Can you use the modules and built-in functions Python to solve the questions for both? Yes, you can use Python built-in questions. Modules. I remember I had used some of the built-in libraries. So yes, you can use for. I think I had to solve one problem on permutations and combinations, and I had used that library from Python. So don't worry about it. There will be a cutoff for first round, I guess. If it is, then what will it be? They don't usually tell you the cutoff. They like if you score really well, then you are selected for the second round. Else you'll be else if you score good, you'll be directly applicable for the interviews.
Okay, I would like to add one point on this. Like, I want to tell the seriousness of this exam. Like, like last year, talking about around 150 to 200 candidates had given this exam, and 15, maybe 13 to 15 had selected for the interview, and 13 got selected from that interview. So you can see, if you crack this exam, there will be 90% chance of getting the job.
Okay.
So you can see the seriousness of this exam. Like 15 got selected and 30 then selected in the interview. So around 80 to 90% chance you will get selected only. So take this seriously.
Yeah. And suppose like one more general question, like suppose still like I'm not prepared. Okay, so like I'm not prepared. Is it possible in 10 days to prepare for the placement?
Actually, yes, sir. Because for this
Yes, sir.
exam, I thought it was really easy. AMCAT test.
The first round is it is comparatively easy to the advanced coding round, so it is possible to prepare. Also, the advanced coding round that Dhanvantari explained, it is after you get the results of the first round. So first there will be the first MCQ test and the programming round.
Okay.
Then you will be shortlisted for the interview. So your interviews will take place, and after you get selected, after that you will have the advanced coding exam if you are eligible for that.
Yeah. Actually, this time on 24th July that pre-qualified test will be there, online test, and 28th July, after 3 days, advanced coding round is there. So maybe based upon their performance in the online test that they are giving on 24th, so maybe based upon the like maybe 10% or 15% people, maybe they will select and they will provide for the advanced coding round maybe.
Yes.
Yes, sir. In our case, on 4th, our exam was there on 4th September, and on that day only, some of us received the mail for advanced coding round. At the evening, there was advanced coding in our case. They still have 3 days to prepare.
Okay. And as you like suppose in the for coding round, actually the ENTC and electronic students normally they can find easy in the aptitude and English and all. And so how you people are started, like you can tell anyone, you can share the experience like in coding, how we can improve our coding skills.
Okay. Who would like to take this question? To take Mayuri.
And one more
Okay,
thing,
I can take.
yeah, go ahead, Shrutik.
Yeah. So frankly speaking, like practice is the only key for coding.
Yeah, yes.
You need, there is no other way. You have to practice. Like I know there is we have only 10 days in hand, but you need to practice at least 3 to 4 hours daily on hacker and try to solve maximum problems on strings, array, right? uh, and I think those problems will surely going to help you. But practice is the only key. You need to practice. You need to sit in front of the laptop or PC and do the coding. There is no
Yeah,
other way
yeah.
for coding. Yes. And the platforms, as I suggested, Hacker Earth is the best, and HackerRank. Those are the best for the beginners.
Yeah.
Yes, and I would like to add what Shrutik said. Like practice is the only key, but you have to practice in a correct way. You start from easy level questions. Yes, there are questions like printf, print hello world at start. You start from there, and until and unless you start, you can't continue that journey. You have to start the journey somewhere. You have to start from the printf statements only. When you will practice, like Shrutik said, 3 to 4 hours daily, you will automatically develop your logic, your thinking. When you will solve the easy level questions by yourself without looking for the solution in discussion section, you will eventually find out the programming easy. Like when you will read the question, analyze the data, you will find what to do, what you have to exactly perform. As I specified, some questions are like there is a particular pattern, like there is some formula to be applied and answer will come. These type of questions are there. They give us the description like an essay, but in the back end the logic is very simple. This logic you can build just by practice, as Shrutik mentioned.
Yeah. Yes, guys, here the main thing is the interest is required. Interest and practice. Okay. See, still I remember when Mayuri was third year, and she contacted me. I think it was after the first lockdown, and she asked me about like the textbooks to prepare. I think maybe she remember that. She
Yes, sir, from
actually,
interview
yeah, she
only.
came to college and she took the textbooks from the library, and her interest was like she contacted their seniors, and she asked about the what are the different textbooks to refer, and the guidance. Okay, it was a self motivation, as she was interested to like work in Infosys or any other company, like in a MNC company. Okay, and she is placed in 3 4 companies. And here the main thing is interest is required, and like and practice, effort is required. Without effort you can't get success. ओके, आप यहाँ अभी कुछ भी करते हो, आप कुछ भी जुगाड़ करके आपने फर्स्ट राउंड किया तो भी definitely you will face a problem in the second round or in the final interview round, or if you are still, if you are even if you are selected, but in the while in the training period, or I think in the training period also they may conduct some like tests and all. Okay, I think these people will share their training experience also. So effort is required. Okay, so the and you need to set a goal कि मुझे कंपनी में जाना ही है. Okay, and don't think about that I am from electronics, I am from ENTC, CSC, IT. See, everyone, you have the capability. That's why you got the seat in the Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. Okay, आपको यहाँ सीट मिला है means you are a qualified student. Okay, and I know that you are like around 450 students are there. They are having not 450, 346 students, 346 students from CSE, IT, electronics, ENTC. You people are having more than 16, 10th, 12th, and your BE graduation is like above 6 CGPA, everyone. So you people are capable, but the thing is that motivation means आपको यहाँ अभी डिसीजन लेना ही पड़ेगा कि मुझे कंपनी में मुझे कैसे भी करके मुझे जॉब लेना ही है. Okay, either it is Persistent, TCS, Infosys. See guys, these are the mass recruitment as per the last year record. Okay, again you can call these guys also. In CSE around 160, like yesterday even Capgemini result also got few students are selected, so around 170 offers are there from CSE, and from IT around 52 offers. Okay, 53 like 53 students are placed and 80 offers in IT, and even electronics, ENTC also there are I don't know the exact details, but even ENTC also around 60 students are placed. And guys, as per my knowledge and experience from last 2 3 years, you need to target for these companies like Infosys, TCS, Persistent. These are the mass recruitment company, but you go through the pattern, the exam pattern. Okay, and you can discuss with your seniors how you can prepare well, because there are some points are there that we can't discuss here. There are few
Sorry to interrupt you,
strategies are
sir.
there.
I think
Yeah,
students
Mayuri.
are posting questions in chat box.
Yeah, you can go ahead.
Yes, sir. So, someone said, Pragati said, we have only 6 days, suggest how we should start. We don't have much. Talking about technical knowledge, Pragati, can you unmute yourself? Like, you have DS, data structure. You have, I think, basics of operating system, and most of the questions come on in technical subjects like computer networks, as I said, OSI model and basic networking MCQs, which you will find online. That will be sufficient for computer CN. Yes, CN. Some questions on CN too, like 2 to 3 questions. Because as I mentioned, we had 30 questions technical, but as I looked for your like how they are dividing on face prep, they specified 20 questions will be there for technical section. So I don't think they will ask most much questions, but you have to have basic knowledge about computer networking, and I think ENTC guys have basic knowledge of networking. So there will be no issue in technical, and you guys don't just freak out. This exam is not like something big. The questions are really easy.
Yeah.
If you have prepared enough, if you have basics clear, you don't have to worry. And as Pragati asked, I would, as I suggested, go for numericals first of operating system. You go search on gigs for gigs, or tutorials points. There are explanations of numericals, how to solve basic numericals are given there with example
Yeah.
of scheduling algorithms. There are different scheduling algorithms. So as we had 2 questions, actually every one of us had different question sets. So I attempted 2 questions of operating system, as I remember. 2 scheduling algorithm questions were there, and both the questions asked average turnaround time. uh, so those questions, one was on round robin algorithm, and one was on shortage of first algorithm. So these numericals you will find easily online, so you can prepare. And best option for preparing for operating system, I will suggest go to the library, purchase the book, and study.
Yeah. And even as Mayuri, as you said, like all the concepts, like in the tutorial points, geek for geeks, where I think all the points they are covered. Even if they refer to some gate questions, like so, even because they are explained very well, like all the concepts and all, and with respect to that concept, they are given some examples also.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Looking for the gate videos is also best option,
Yeah.
because they actually give us a shortcut to how to solve the question. Because for gate there is requirement of that only, how to solve the questions fastly.
Yeah.
And Aniket, there is no negative marking.
Yeah. Yeah, the main thing is interest is required from your side. You need to set a goal, because as we people are telling from last second year onwards, like आपको आपको पता ही है, एक साल से कि ऐसे ऐसी कंपनी आने वाला है, और ये टेस्ट पैटर्न, एंड आई थिंक you people are attended these English test, aptitude test and all. You people are preparing because you are already gone through the InfyTQ hack with Infi and all. ओके, बट आपको कैसा एक सीरियसनेस आना चाहिए कि मुझे कैसे, क्योंकि बिकॉज द विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस InfyTQ you have worst result, only very few students are selected, even hack with Infi also. Okay, So now the chance is for like TCS, Persistent, and Infosys. And there are so many companies are there, but they will select one or two students. Like, okay, so you have the time and you prepare well. Okay. Yes, the Dhanvantri, anything other?
No, sir. Just that it's really a simple exam actually. Like if
Yeah.
you've given TCS, NQT, and NPTQ, no, so you
Yeah.
find it really easy compared to those exams. And don't worry about OS and all. There will be 3-4 questions on like OS. I remember 3-4 questions. But I think 6 days are enough to prepare. Like go through Java T point or tutorials point and some YouTube videos also. Like whatever
Yeah.
works for you. Like if you
Yeah.
like reading, then go for reading. And
And
if you understand,
yeah. And like the questions like means everyone will get some different questions, no, right? Like for example, actually for your batch, there was no questions on software engineering, software testing, but last year batch, like 18-19 batch, there was more questions on software testing and software engineering.
yeah, so they might change, or
Yeah.
maybe there's some rotation. Like some people might get those questions for software engineering, and some might not. So can't really say, but the questions for every subject on every topic are really basic questions.
Yeah, basic
So even
questions.
if you go through basic things for the next 6 days, it will be enough for you to crack the first round. Like first round will
Yeah.
be enough for
And it is for 90 minutes, right? 90 minutes, no? In this online test?
yeah 1.5.
1 hour 30 minutes, yeah. Yeah, the test time is from 11 to 12:30, so 90-minute time is there.
Okay, there's one question on chat. If anyone don't know coding at professional level, he knows only at basic level as Hello World, then what should he prepare for? Preparation for hands-on coding part. Okay, Ayush, this like first round, the coding questions are quite easy. They are of easy to medium level. So for the next 6 days, if you go through hacker rank, like stick to one site, any one site, like Geek for Geeks, you can take any one site of your choice, Hacker Rank or Geek for Geeks, and go through all the basic questions for like string, printing the patterns, and like these few like questions which are asked repetitively in most of the coding exams. And even if you practice these basic questions, it is enough for you to crack the first round. That much practice is also enough for you to crack the first round. Does that answer your question, Ayush?
Yeah, you are right, Dhanvantri. Because in hacker rank and all, there is a interview preparation kit is there 30 days,
Yes.
and in module wise also, subject wise also, they can prepare from easy, medium, and difficult level.
Yes.
Yeah, but the interest you should have interest like to go through. You should go through from the beginning, easy level to high level. You can do because you are already gone through like C programming and all in the first year. In the second year, Python you've gone through. Okay, so you people can do that.
Yeah, just stick to one language, one site for the next 6 days, and that is more than enough.
Yeah, and one more question, like like in your friend circle, is anyone faced difficulty during the exam, like any hardware issue or any such problems while giving the test?
Not that I remember, sir, but I don't know about Mayuri, Shrutika, and Madhura. If they have.
No, sir.
I mean, there was no such any issues, like because these students are also giving the test from the home.
Yeah, they should be.
No, sir. I think Persistent provides a mail a day before the exam for system requirement.
Okay.
And you can go through that and fix whatever issue you have.
Yeah, great.
Yeah, that mail you will receive for system.
Yeah.
Once you done system check, there will be no issue while giving exam.
Okay. See, guys, one more thing. If you have any infrastructure problem, any hardware, if you don't have the laptop, and if you have any internet issues and all, you come to the college, you take a permission, you inform to your department coordinator and the HODs. So definitely you will get we'll arrange for the test. Okay. But you need to inform 1 or 2 days before.
Yeah, just keep a spare, like even if you like, can't come to college, it is not feasible. Just inform your friends, like keep a spare laptop or some machine
Yeah.
handy, so that even if your system fails, you can use. There's one question: what is the level of the questions in like in Hacker Rank? It shows points for the questions. Uh, yeah. So, are you asking about what questions to practice for this exam, Aniket? If Okay, so you can go to from easy to medium. Don't go for hard level for this exam. It is not necessary. Even if you practice easy to medium, it is more than enough.
Yeah, and I think Dhanvat, this is for even TCS also. No, TCS also they will get some basic questions, easy level.
Yes, sir. Like
TC,
medium,
yeah,
easy level,
medium.
medium.
Yeah,
Yeah. For if you like, the hard level questions are for hack with NP, like
yeah.
for
Higher
the
for higher packages.
higher packages, CSN Power Programmer.
Yeah.
Only then you'll need to practice the hard level questions.
Okay.
Can we navigate through the coding questions? Yes, yes, you can navigate through the coding questions. And for second round, if you partially even solve, there are points actually. How many test cases you pass? So that many points you'll get for each coding question. You can even see look, when you solve the question, how many test cases you have passed. You can calculate your points there and then. So you can understand there and then how many points you're getting in the coding round. Is there limit for compiling? No, no, there's no limit for compiling. Even you can submit, like once you have submitted, if you feel like optimizing your code, you can even submit for the next time. Like again, you can submit. Final submission of test is different. The programming submission, like question submission, I'm talking about. Like there's no limit for that question submission. You'll understand when you go through the platform.
Yeah.
Is coding questions are based on real time or direct, very basic array sorting. Okay. So for the first round, they are very basic, like array sorting, the same, factorial, Fibonacci, and all. I think I had a Fibonacci series program for first round. But for the second round, there are like real time coding questions. For first round, you can Madhura, Mayuri, and Shruti. For first round, you guys have any real time questions there?
No,
I
not
think even for second round, we didn't have real-time questions. They were mostly based on data structures or dynamic programming.
dynamic programming.
Yeah, dynamic programming.
First round is pretty easy.
Yeah, pretty easy.
They're very basic questions. First round. And even if you don't solve both completely, it is fine.
Yeah, 1.5 is also fine. One is also fine. Just English and all. Like if you score there good, it will cover this part.
If you
Yeah,
score well
most
in
of the time
MCQs,
it
it will
happens
cover up.
like you prepare for technical and all, and it just happens like without like for because of English also you can not qualify for next round. This
Yeah,
happens.
yeah, right.
Means you are saying like there is section wise cutoff.
We don't really know that.
No, sir. There is nothing like that.
They don't actually
Know the
share that with us.
Okay.
We don't even get our points. So that
It's not
is
like
on their
TCS
part.
NQT. Yeah, we don't get.
We don't get our scores.
Okay.
But sir, there were some students from our batch who actually solved both the programming questions 100%, but they didn't get selected. So and they said their English section or quant section was tough for them. So
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
it can
Maybe.
Okay, Alish is asking if candidate doesn't code anything in exam, but aptitude part is cleared, then what's the possibility? We don't really know Ayush, but I think you'll be able to solve at least one coding question. It is really easy. So even if you solve one, there's a possibility that you'll get selected.
actually from that two coding questions, the one is like you can solve in 5 minutes only. You
Yeah,
just have to read it carefully, and it will eventually be the question like find the maximum from the list or sort the list, something like that. Or as the Nvantari said, Fibonacci or factorial, something like that. So one
Okay.
question is very easy.
Yeah, it just you will have an upper hand if you are good in programming. you have an upper hand because you will get the free points of coding.
Also,
That
if
will
you
add.
don't,
Yeah,
go
that
ahead.
will add up to your.
If we
Yeah,
don't solve the first question completely, also like Mayuri said, even that is fine. Because I remember I solved both questions. Like I solved the first question half of my test cases were passed, and the second question around 7 to 8 maybe out of 12 test cases were passed. But I got selected, so that is fine as long as all most of your as long as you score in all the departments, that is fine. You clear your test.
yeah. There is a one question, Siddharth Enkanchi. Not, yeah. See, if you don't know about operating system and CNC, it is not as difficult. Okay, there are some concepts like IEEE, like IP routings, IP address, MAC address, OSI models, and all. Okay, as these guys are mentioned, like Geek for Geeks and all, you will get a concepts, and you can go through some MCQ questions. Okay, so it is not a difficult task, even operating system and all, like some scheduling algorithms are there. So you can just go through the internet, okay? Because you are
Right.
appearing for the interview means you should find, okay, you should find you need to understand the concepts of what is this. Even you are gone through the computer network also, okay? So it is not a difficult task, but interest should be there. Is it even possible? Yeah, yeah, you can do it. Okay.
Yeah, so that don't worry about
Yeah.
OSSCN. Like you'll have three, four questions on both, or maximum three, like that. And if you want, you can just go through these concepts like Mayuri said, no? Mayuri what? TAT, no? What was
Yeah.
that?
OSI model.
OSI
Yeah.
model.
No, calculating part OS.
Yeah, scheduling algorithms
Scheduling.
for OS.
Yeah, those concepts. Those only have like solving problems, like
Yeah, actually, I few days back, I took a mock interview for the one of the student, and see, he is good at machine learning, deep learning. He actually hit even in the resume also he included machine learning, deep learning. There are 4 5 projects and all. And I told him to just share the screen and do one programming, reverse string or reverse of a number. He is unable to do one simple program. So that's why, guys, don't worry about you. Just focus on you just revise all the basic programs. See, you list out 100 programs like prime number, Fibonacci, string, and all. You can just list out 100 programs. You just practice it. Definitely you will get one problem, or if it is difficult out of two. Okay, so you just list out. There are so many sites are there in the internet, and you can prepare that. Okay, don't think about in a big way or difficult, or like don't think about that. Okay, it will be very easy. You can do it. Okay, so एक्चुअली क्या होता है ऐसे आपके दिमाग में आ जाता है कि कंपनी का ऐसा डिफिकल्ट रहेगा, वो रहेगा, बट आप क्या करते हो, सिंपल क्वेश्चंस भी आप ये नहीं करते, यू आप भूल ही जाते हो सिंपल क्वेश्चंस एंड ऑल, बेसिक क्वेश्चंस. ओके, तो एक बार रिवाइज करो सब.
Mayuri, can you write down the name for Siddharth?
I'm writing it down. Right. I'll paste in a second.
And Disha asked, what if there is some network issue and we get logged out? So, does anyone want to take this question? Madhu?
Yeah, actually, the cameras pause and you can re-log in. I think once it's possible, someone had done that.
What happened?
If the
Yeah.
due to network issue you get logged out,
Okay, okay.
you can log in again back, and the timer doesn't continue; it gets paused when you log out.
Okay,
As per my knowledge, yeah, someone did that.
When you begin the test, they give you a particular ID and they tell you to note it down in case something like this happens. So the first thing you do is write down that ID. So with that you can log in if you get logged out by any chance.
okay, means the credentials, the user ID and all.
Yes, for they give a separate test ID. I think it is around 8 to 10 characters long. So just write that down. The first thing you do is write that down.
Okay. Yeah, there is one more question.
Are you second round? Means what you are talking about?
I think he's talking about advanced coding round, man.
Oh yeah.
So, sir, advanced coding round is for the higher package, like 7 and 9 lakhs maybe. So, so yeah, then you will get to perform on the base package. So you don't have to worry about you will be, got rejected.
Yeah, don't worry about the times. Even if you don't qualify the second round, your base package is still there.
Yeah. So guys, any other problem you have, you can ask any problem, anything you want to ask.
Yeah, even the simplest questions. You can
Yeah,
ask us.
Dhanvantri, can you share some experience of your friends? Like, suppose if they are not placed after attempting so many companies and they placed at the last. Okay, yeah. Or still the student is very good in the technically, and but he is unable to crack these tests and all. Is there any such
Yes,
experience?
yes, sir. Some of my friends, like, they were really good at technical and everything, but just because of some like communication skills or we don't know, like,
Yeah.
they were not getting selected. So
Okay. Okay.
initially, because every so many of your friends are getting selected, and there's like this peer pressure, like everyone is getting selected and I'm not getting selected, even though I'm good in this like everything and I study so hard.
Yeah.
So yeah, this peer pressure and all, and even yourself pressure, like I know everything, still I'm not getting selected. So don't worry, like
Yeah,
there are
we should not compare with someone else because it creates a deep like some pressure on us.
yeah.
We should
So
not
you know,
compare.
right, that you're preparing hard and you're doing nothing wrong, like nothing you're doing nothing wrong while preparing for everything. So there are so many opportunities actually for Infosys, Persistent, TCS, and they're coming more than once for you guys.
Yeah.
So don't worry, once you'll get selected in one company or the other. Just keep practicing, don't lose faith.
Yeah,
Just have
yeah, yeah. That
patience.
is very. So you should keep on practicing because I know one of the friend of Dhanvantri Madhura. There is one close friend is there. I don't want to mention the name. She like from a few companies she attempted, but she's not is not unable to crack the aptitude and all. But later she got
Yeah.
3 4 offers. 3 4.
Yes,
She's placed in 3 4
Yes.
more
companies.
than one company.
Yeah, yeah.
And with good package,
Good
that's
package
also
also. So you
more
should
than
not
base
lose.
package.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So guys, keep on practicing. Don't compare with the others. Definitely, see if you do the hard work, definitely you will get a success.
Yes, as sir mentioned, someone asked me, some junior from CSC, I think. He asked me like he is preparing well. I think NQT and Hack with Infi, these guys have faced already now. So he was unable to crack those, and he asked me, "How did you manage?" So I would like to say to you guys that I also got rejected from I was unable to crack the starting rounds of NQT. I was unable to crack the pre-interview round of Hack with Infi. I was unable to crack Code Vita in fourth year. I had cracked it in third year, but I was unable to do that in fourth year. So it gives us a mental pressure. So in this situation, the mental how do you how do you prepare yourself mentally? That's the key. When you are preparing, you just don't have to prepare for how to study, what to study. You have to be ready for the results. You need not think that this is the last chance or something, do or die situation. You just, while you are preparing, think like that. I will not say like don't think like that. You just think like that it's your last chance. But if you don't get selected, you still have many opportunities ahead. Just keep that in mind. So before Persistent, I think I got rejected for 3 to 4 companies also. So I have also been through this phase already. So that's the most important thing, how you prepare yourself mentally and prepare for a coming challenge, not to be stuck on uh, failures you faced already. Just learn from those.
See guys, you are getting in this golden opportunity, so take it positively and see you are getting a lot of time. From last 1 year you are at home and you got so much time for preparation and all. I think you people are even adopted self-learning as you people go through the some uh, that is in our college is having a YouTube channel. So you have gone through the some videos and means even NPTEL courses, EDX courses. Okay, that is you have the self-learning capability. So you can do with the same strategy. If you start the preparation, definitely you will do. You won't face any problem, and if you have any infrastructure problem and all, you can contact to department coordinators. You can come to the college for preparation and all. मीन्स आपको घर में कुछ ऐसे इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी नहीं है लाइक वी नो दैट देर आर सम स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर दे आर हैविंग सम लाइक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रॉब्लम एंड ऑल बट आप कॉलेज को आ सकते हो कॉलेज का के बिकॉज लैब्स आर अवेलेबल इंटरनेट फैसिलिटीज अवेलेबल you can stay from morning to evening. Okay, there is no such problem. I think I know personally there are some students out there in the IT department. उनको मीन्स थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है ऐसे कि घर में मीन्स बिकॉज द 6 to 7 hours to use the internet connectivity and all आपको वो कंटिन्यू आप बिकॉज 2 GB डेली मीन्स वो खा सब खत्म हो जाता है. तो आपको ऐसा कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो तो आप 9-10 o'clock the college will open at 9 o'clock. 9 to 4 will be college will be open. Okay, तो आप and daily it is except Sunday. Okay, so daily you can come to college and you can do preparation also. See, and this is a very time. See, from today onwards till the August 30, because you are having the TCS NQT that is on like most of them I think they are paid that for the TCS NQT exam. Through TCS NQT exam you are getting an opportunity for various companies because TCS Ion is conducting that test and there are most of the companies they are tied up with the TCS Ion. आपने जो I think 999 rupees you paid some amount. Okay, so वो TCS NQT का क्या benefit है? You will get along with the TCS, you will get some more companies. Now July 15 to July 30 there is a TCS Job Carnival. ऐसा एक उन्होंने एक ये स्टार्ट किया है जॉब रिक्रूटमेंट का. देर आर वेरियस अदर कंपनीज दे आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन दैट. जुलाई 15 to July 30 TCS जॉब कार्निवाल. जिन्होंने TCS NQT का लाइक दे हैव द गुड स्कोर, दोज आर द qualified candidates जिनका स्कोर कार्ड अच्छा है. ओके, they all of them they received the mail that okay that is one thing. And for especially for this batch 2022 batch के लिए TCS Ninja hiring. Okay, TCS Ninja hiring, so all of them you register immediately. And the main thing is that those who are giving the test from the in center आपको ऐसे TCS Ion center में आपको देना है तो आप इमीडिएटली रजिस्टर करो क्योंकि वो स्लॉट्स मिलते नहीं. सपोज यू आर फ्रॉम द सोलापुर में एक 2-3 सेंटर्स रहेंगे तो सीट्स मिलते नहीं, इसलिए इन सेंटर रहा तो आप इमीडिएटली रजिस्टर कर लो. and it is free of cost. TCS Ninja hiring, it is only for TCS. Okay, there is no other companies are associated with this. TCS Ion is conducting and it is for the ओनली 2022 बैच. अभी TCS NQT क्या है, 4 साल के लोग अपियर कर सकते हैं, इवन एक्सपीरियंस एंड इवन थर्ड ईयर फाइनल ईयर. ओके, so that is about TCS Ninja, TCS NQT, and those who are qualified they are getting the job carnival. That is one recruitment pattern. With that there are so many companies are there. And August 8 you people are appearing for the in campus, that is 5 lakh and 8 lakh package test in campus. Okay, so that's why these 1.5 month time is a very precious time for you people. Don't waste the time. जो भी फेस्टिवल जो भी ऐसा रहना सब साइड में रखो एक 1.5 महीना, बिकॉज इसमें 3 कंपनी है और ये 3 कंपनी बिकॉज इनके जो बैच में जो अभी 2021 जो बैच में इनको लेट आया था, ये जो 5 लाख और 8 लाख है ना, as even Mayuri is also placed in that, Shrutik is also placed, Dhanvantri is also gone through that, all these guys are gone through. but इनको क्या एक बेनिफिट था, ये 5 लाख एंड 8 लाख का जो स्पेशलिस्ट प्रोग्रामर एंड डिजिटल स्पेशलिस्ट प्रोग्रामर है ना, ये लास्ट में आया था. बट अभी आपके लिए क्या है, इट इज वेरी लाइक इमीडिएटली दे आर कंडक्टिंग द रिक्रूटमेंट. सो डोंट वेस्ट द टाइम. दिस 45 days आप एक टाइम टेबल बनाओ 45 days, और प्रायोरिटी के हिसाब से काम करो आप, प्रायोरिटी के हिसाब से। अभी आपका इमीडिएट प्रायोरिटी क्या है? इमीडिएट प्रायोरिटी PSPL परसिस्टेंट, उसके बाद क्या है? TCS इनक्लूटी एंड इन कैंपस। ओके, तो ऐसे प्रायोरिटी के हिसाब से if you make a plan, definitely you will get a success. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can unmute it. You can unmute and answer. Because these guys are very busy with their training and all. Still, they spent time from last 1.5 hours, and even as I requested them, so immediately these guys are accepted my invitation, and so they are ready to like share their experience and all. Okay. Yes. Any other questions, guys? Yeah, share training experience. Okay. Yeah, Dhanvantari, you can share the how the training is going on and all.
Okay, so training, first of all, the basic, there are three phases for that training. In phase one, you're taught with your basic concepts of SQL and Git and all, whichever are required for which are required for everyone. And then in the second phase, you're given your domain. So I am assigned to Java, and so I'm given my domain specific training for the second phase. And for the third phase, you're given advanced training, like project based training. You're actually assigned a mini project, and then there are mentors which check your progress during your project, and then you'll be like you're judged on that. Your assessment is based on that, and then you're deployed to your main projects. So this is my training experience so far. The training experience is very my training experience has been very smooth. Like there are like even for your simplest doubts, you can go to the HR or your point of contact and you can ask them. Because it is quite overwhelming, this transition from college to corporate, and because of work from home, you can't actually interact with them. But
Yeah.
those people have ensured that we have a very smooth experience. So my experience has been really good so far. Madhura, Mayuri, and Shrutik will share their experience.
Can they use the pen paper while attempting the test?
Yes, sir, I can use.
You can use, but if you look down a lot, a warning may pop up.
Okay.
They pop, but I think you need pen and paper for aptitude. I think all of us used pen and paper. Just make sure that you don't look down a lot.
Okay.
Actually, they will not need only because they provide us calculator also inside.
Mhm.
Like, yes, a small calculator is available. For rough work, there is space available. So, no need to use anything.
Yeah. And
And the
yeah.
questions are very basics. So, there is no need of using pen, paper, and all.
Okay.
Pretty easy questions. You'll not be needing to use pen and paper.
And like suppose if they refer the AMCAT previous year questions, like I think in online it is available. Is it helpful, the AMCAT papers?
Yes, sir. They might be helpful. Like you'll get to know what kind of questions, like what is the level of questions, coding questions, and all. So you can move your preparation according to that. So yeah, if you're getting those questions on any online site, well and good. Just go through them.
Yeah.
It will boost your preparation.
And in aptitude and all, like is there any specific important topics in aptitude?
In aptitude, I think we had some work and time questions, and I remember getting work and time questions. Like I don't remember much. Mayuri, Madhura, they might tell you.
Okay, means is there like suppose because there are 20 topics are there in that, अभी ऐसा कुछ important like permutation, combination, times and work, ऐसा कुछ
Mostly sir logical questions थे ज़्यादा तो.
logical reasoning.
हाँ logical बहुत वो रहता ना ABCD के.
Okay, logical reasoning.
हाँ वो.
Okay. Is there
Logical reasoning होता है और work and time questions होता है.
Yeah.
And
train questions.
Yeah, one question on train or stream, upstream, downstream.
Downstream.
These questions and the sitting arrangement questions. These questions are like compulsory. 2 questions will be based on sitting arrangement or standing in straight lines, something.
Okay.
And the direction questions, like someone started from walking from some point
Yeah.
going to north direction.
Directions.
These kind of questions. Yes, direction question. And blood relation question.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, these type of questions, these are like compulsory questions, and other questions can vary in between all remaining domains of aptitude.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Those alphabetical ordering questions like find the pattern, like ABC, next is that. What
Okay.
will come next, like that.
Okay.
Those
Okay.
were illogical. I remember.
Okay. Okay, guys. As these guys are shared their experience, you just go through that, and don't take more tension. Okay, so you people are already gone through that. Just to revise the concepts. Okay, cover all the and don't waste the time. Okay, these 45 days are very important. So try to focus on your placement preparation. बिकॉज अभी क्या होता है आपका ये फर्स्ट राउंड है और ये सो चलता है लाइक 3-4 months टू गेट योर फाइनल रिजल्ट ओके सो ट्राई टू क्लियर द योर फर्स्ट राउंड
Actually, sir, as per I remember, these guys started practicing when we were starting. We were practicing for Infitech.
Yes.
So these guys have started already in second year only.
Yeah.
So there is no need to worry, because as you are thinking, this is not something like high level exam or something. These questions are the questions literally are basic questions. So
Yeah.
you just have to keep calm. Because as when I have talked with some juniors, they are like being very hyper, or they are taking tension, like something dangerous is coming for them, or the questions are very high
Yeah,
level
yeah.
and all. But this is not the case. The questions are really easy. You guys just need to calm down, and as per my knowledge, you are more prepared than us.
Yes.
You know, at we got 5 days before now.
Yeah,
that
yeah.
Persistent is
Yeah,
coming.
yeah.
We prepared in 5 days.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So I think you people are even appearing your university exams also. So you complete it, and parallel you prepare for your placement also. Okay. And thank you the Dhanvantari, Shruti, Madhura, and Mayuri, as you people are spent almost 1.5 hour. And even if possible, even I will arrange the for interview preparation guidance also. So again,
Sure, sir.
yeah. Okay, and if you have any other query and all, as they will contact you. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can contact
Okay.
us.
Yeah, it was really great interacting with you guys.
Yeah.
All the best, guys. Hope
All
to
the
see you
best.
Yeah.
in Persistent soon.
Yeah. Thank
All
you.
the best,
Thank
guys.
you.
Thank
Okay.
you, sir. All
yeah.
the best,
All the
everyone.
best, everyone.
Yeah. Okay, guys. We'll end the session. I hope it is very useful, and try to prepare. And if you any doubt, you can directly contact me or your department coordinator. And for even your for preparation also, if you have any infrastructure problem, try to contact your department coordinator. But don't waste the time for next 45 days.
And any other queries, you can directly contact any of us.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Bye.